Sex.com. No, this video is not about sex, but it's about a domain name. This domain name used to be owned by Mr. Kramen, from the founder of Match.com. And anyway, in 1995, a year after he originally registered it, Stephen Michael Cohen faxed Network Solutions and said that they had fired Kramen from the company and listed as the owner of the domain name, and that the owner, Online Classifieds Inc., was handing over ownership of the domain name to Stephen Michael Cohen. It was signed by Sharon Dimick, the parent president of OCI, and gave final authorization of the move to Michael Cohen. Unfortunately, NSI didn't attempt to check whether this information was true, didn't contact Mr. Kramen, and duly signed over the domain rights to Mr. Cohen. After a 5-year court battle, Mr. Kramen won back the domain in April 2001 and was rewarded $65 million in compensation from Mr. Cohen. Mr. Cohen promptly moved his assets offshore, left the country, and remains at large. Now, this was an article written in 2003, but Mr. Cohen has been in jail for a few years now. Anyway, there is a new case. They sold the domain name in 2006 for some say about $14 million, some say 12. It has never been confirmed, the price, but anyway, it was a lot of money. But now, in a month or so, this domain name is going to a foreclosure auction, which is kind of an interesting turn of events for this domain name. And I've known about this stuff for a few years, but interesting how this domain name went from earning Mr. Cohen $65 million after he stole it, down to going through foreclosure. And he and also the domain name industry has got it so wrong. They try to say that domain names are so valuable, but even in terms of search engine optimization, Pornhub is the top site when you search for sex on Google, and they get over 7 million visitors a month. Compare that to Sex.com's 120,000 current hits, as Compete.com says anyway. So I think they need to resync their model anyway. But it was kind of amazing how that domain name went from $65 million down to foreclosure. Anyway, laters.